Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you my recipe for an energy shake. I like to drink the shake after I work out. I also like to drink it when I don't want to eat a meal, so I'll use it as a meal replacement because it is packed with protein. It keeps me full and it gives me lots of energy. So I could actually drink this and not be hungry for hours. It's great for breakfast as well. So what you will be needing for this shake is 2 cups of almond milk, depending on how many servings you're going to make. I'm making this right now for 2 people, so I'm going to be using 2 cups of almond milk, 1 cup of ice, 1 frozen banana. Depending on sweetness, you could also add like 1.5 or 2 frozen bananas. So what I do is I wait until my bananas are very ripe, and then I just put them, I peel them and I put them in a Ziploc bag, just like this, and put them in the freezer. Then you will be needing 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with protein, omega-3, fatty acids, and they're just great for not only your body, but also your hair and your skin. Peanut butter, and I like to use natural peanut butter. I do not like to use Jif or anything like that because it has a lot of sugar. So if you can find natural peanut butter that just has peanuts and salt or even unsalted in the ingredients, that's all you need. And then just a splash of vanilla or pure vanilla if you want. That's optional. So I'm just going, oh, and a blender. So I'm just going to pour my almond milk into my blender. Okay. Then I'm going to add my ice. Frozen bananas. Chia seeds. So 1 to 2 tablespoons, right? If you're doing 1 serving, I would say 1 tablespoon. I'm doing 2 servings, so I'm going to do around 2 tablespoons. And chia seeds are very healthy. They're packed with protein. They're great for your heart. They support cardiovascular health, and they contain all of the omega-3 fatty acids that you need. Then peanut butter. So 1 tablespoon per serving. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons. And it's important to use natural peanut butter because you don't want the added sugar. You can also use almond butter, of course, or cashew butter. And then a tiny splash of vanilla, which is optional. You could also add a little bit of cinnamon. You just need very little because it's very strong. So now I'm going to place my cap on the blender. And since I have ice in there, I'm going to do the ice crush. Button. And this ensures that the ice and the banana are crushed well. And then I'll finish it off by pressing my mix button. To just press ice crush one more time. And then get your cup ready. Just make sure to check that all of the banana and the ice is crushed. I blended this pretty quickly because I'm used to it by now, and I know that it's crushed, but just make sure because it depends on the blender. And then just pour it in a glass. And you can have this, like I said, as a meal replacement or after you work out. It's great. Gives you a lot of energy and it keeps you full for hours. So this is a great choice for a meal replacement or an energy drink. It's delicious, it's sweet, but it's very good for you because it's all natural ingredients, no added sugars or anything like that. So give this a try and let me know if you like it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.